Hey folks, JD here, and this week unfortunately we have had nothing but rain and storms, wind over 40 miles an hour, just nothing that I can do to fly outside. So unfortunately all the quadcopters and everything that I had come in this week I've had to shift because I haven't been able to fly anything. So this week we have got a dig through the archive, and I've come up with a load of good videos for you. So just before we get into that, this FPV footage that you're watching is courtesy of the Parrot Bebop. This is about a 3 or 4 month old video that I first, it's about the second or third flight of the Parrot Bebop that I had, and it was just going over the trees. I wanted to see exactly how this Parrot Bebop would do in low light situations, how the video would actually come out, if it came out properly, if there was any sort of really dark patches, if you could see proper colours. So it was just a little test to see exactly how this quite old quadcopter would do, and actually I'm pretty astounded by how well it's actually done. So Monday, what do we have? We have the 10 toys for Christmas. Carrying on with that, we have our golden snitch. This is a Harry Potter heliball, and it's a lot of fun. Tuesday, we have a balance charger. So as some of you may remember, 5 months ago I unboxed a balance charger. Well, this is me actually getting the opportunity to unbox it and have a look at it properly. This is my second one of this particular type. The first one unfortunately gave up the ghost maybe about a year or so in, so I thought I'd go with the same one because I had a very good experience with it. Wednesday we have the Atoix AT66 unboxing, and Thursday we have the Atoix AT66 flight test. Now this quadcopter, although it is nano, is extremely fast, and it is easily the fastest quadcopter I've ever flown inside my house, and it is not to be missed. Friday we have the Unique Breeze. This is a purely Wi-Fi driven test I did a few weeks ago. I wanted to see exactly how well it would do directly off your smartphone. Actually, I was very happy. And Saturday we have the 10 toys for Christmas. This is the awesome interactive Arachno, and it is an arachnid, it is a spider, but it is set up more as a cyberpunk type spider with interactive games and everything built in. It really is a lot of fun. And Sunday we have the Flytech T18 battery mod. So this is going back to when I first flew the T18 and it kept on dropping out of the sky. This is me trying with two different types of batteries, one very large one and one small one, and seeing exactly how the flight does. Do we get a better result? Do we get the same result? Well, the only way to find out is if you tune in on Sunday. Alright then folks, well I'm going to leave you watch the rest of this FPV video. I hope you all have a fantastic week. Look after yourselves and each other, and get that Christmas shopping in. We've only got a few weeks now until Christmas. Alright then my friends, I shall speak to you and see you very, very soon. Take care and happy flying.